Hello friends, in previous video we have learned about switch case, and now in this video we will learn about event handlers. So HTML events are things that happen to HTML elements. When JavaScript is used in HTML pages, JavaScript can react on these events. Event handlers can be used to handle and verify user input and user actions and browser actions also. So we have basically many types of handlers. For example, on change, on click, on mouse over, on mouse out, on key down, on key up, on load, etc. In this video, we will talk about on click, on mouse enter, and on mouse leave. So let's start. First, I have created a file eventhandlers.html which contains only the HTML tags, and now we will create an h1 with an id equals to mouse, and on mouse enter we will call a function mouse enter. So this function will be created in script tag, and we also have to use mouse leave, so it will look like toggle. So a function mouse leave will also be created, and it says hello world. And now we also have to create a button. So input type equals to button with an value of click me, and on click we will create an alert box which says hello world. And now save this file, and in script tag we will create the function. So first of all we have to create the function mouse enter, and this will create save this file and then create functions. So first we have to create a function mouse enter, and in this mouse enter we will write document dot get element by id, and in this we will get the element by this id. This is mouse, the id is mouse, so we will write mouse here, and dot style dot color equals to red. So semicolon, and that's all for mouse enter. And now we will create the same function for mouse leave also. So just mouse leave, and we will change the color to black. So this document.get element by id gets this h1 and will change the style.color, that means the color of this hello world, to red, and when we leave this the color will get back to the black. That's the default color also. Now we will save this file and open the folder where we have saved this file. Our file name is event handlers. When we open this file, a text hello world will be here, and when we place our cursor on that hello world the color changes to red because of the mouse enter function, and when we bring it out the color brings back to black because of mouse leave. So mouse enter mouse leave, mouse enter mouse leave, this is a toggle effect generated because of two functions. And when we click this button, alert box is created. This all will wait until any action, so it will not do anything without the user interaction. When a user moves mouse to the word, then only the color will be changed, and when the user clicks the button, only then the alert box will be generated. So that's all for this video, and our next video will be on the introduction to looping statements. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.